Hello and welcome back to Paintastic Arts everyone. Our today's hack is on how to make a perfect circle. So here are top 5 methods which I tried and tested and are perfectly useful. Method number 1. This technique involves the use of a paper or a cardboard scale. But this time the scale is not to make a line but a circle. Let me show you how. So let's mark the radius of this circle and make 2 holes on this paper. In this case, I took a radius of a 5 cm with the help of a scale and have pinned it accordingly. Now let's hold on to the center of the circle with the help of a pin. You could also use another pencil or a pen to hold it. So here's my 5 cm radius circle. Let me show you guys one more time. Mark on the scale, make a hole, pin the center and make a circle. And here's our 8 cm radius circle. I personally like this method because it is absolutely accurate. Let's move on to the next method. Over here I'm using a palm technique. In this technique I'm simply placing my palm on the paper and I need to make sure that my palm doesn't move. And I'm only going to rotate this paper. And that's absolutely perfect. So how many of y'all can make a perfect circle using a paintbrush? Isn't it difficult? We do have a hack and it's called a paintbrush compass. So take a brush, take a pencil and we need 2 rubber bands. I'm going to tie this brush and a pencil with the help of these 2 rubber bands. And now let's make our circle. You can also do this technique with the help of 2 pencils or 2 pens. In this method, you can also use a perfect radius using a scale just like a normal compass. Method number 4. Freehand drawing with a pencil won't always guarantee a perfect circle. Hence this famous method called the paperclip method. Just take 2 pencils and a paperclip. Keep your pencil still and on the inside of the clip and make a circle moving the clip in a circular manner with the help of the other pencil. And you could take 2 clips to make a bigger circle. And the last method in this video called the thread technique. So cut the thread, tie on both the sides. And similar to our method number 4, hold on to a point with the help of a pencil or a pin and move the other one making a circle. And that's perfect. So here were my top 5 methods, or you could call top 5 hacks to make a perfect circle. Let me know your favorite method or which one works the best for you in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.